Hey, welcome back to my channel, Fix and Repair. Today I'm working on this older Simplicity lawn tractor here, and the battery was dead on it, and I wanted to share with you what I did in case you have one of these lawn tractors and you don't want to go out and buy this oddball battery here that's going to cost you some big bucks when you don't have to. So just forget that battery down there. That was a stock one. You have to come over here, and this was the shield that was in place. It's held by 2 bolts down there. You take that thing off, you get rid of it. Take your handy dandy DeWalt grinder. You go in there and you cut this little piece that hangs down here. You cut that off, and you cut this off and make it square there. And you cut a little section off right here and over there. Okay, and then you can go out and get yourself one of those AC Delco 34-78S batteries. This is the same thing that's in a Chevy pickup truck and numerous GM vehicles. I got the one, of course, with the top post as well. It costs a little bit more, but that's what you're going to need for this lawnmower unless you want to change your connections, which I didn't want to bother. And you can see what I cut out here and around over there. And I'll just put the connections back on. I don't worry about the shield. I got enough space in there. If I wanted to, I suppose I could have something rigged up where I put the shield in there. And also, the reason why I didn't cut any more of this notch off right there where my finger is because this is where the strap fits in that goes around and holds the battery in place. If you cut too much of that notch off, you won't have any place to attach the strap, or you'll weaken it. You have to be careful about that. Another thing I'm going to do is cut off this bracket that went to the roller system. I no longer need it, and since I'm going to be putting on slightly larger tires, and you always have deck sway, I don't want that bracket there. I'm going to zip that one off. Okay, here's another thing that I corrected on this Simplicity lawn tractor. Right down here, for some reason, they had this piece of metal that was shoved in here and goes just above the blades. I think it has something to do if you put a grass catcher on it. It's awful because you can see, if you're mowing tall grass, it always gets caught in here, and it plugs about 1/3 of your hole. I started to cut it, and then the thing just fell out. So that's the way you want it to look. Nice and open. Alright, now I'd like to talk about the Simplicity roller system. Here's what's left of this roller system that was on the rear of the deck. I never liked this because it would just get full of stones and stuff like that and be hard to push it when the lawn tractor doesn't run and the deck goes all the way down. So I went out and I bought some mower deck wheels, John Deere, and they're the same size wheels as on the front. I just took all that apparatus off. I cut it off right here. There's some type of bracket that ran up that went back to the rollers. I cut that off so it wouldn't be sticking up when I climb on and off the tractor. I used 2 bolts. I bolted to this bracket. I had to bend it in a little bit to get it square, so this wheel is square, wasn't running at an angle. I'll go over to the other side real quick. And I left the height adjustment, that alone, and I just used some bolts, extended it out with some nuts, and used the original holes that were here and just made this so it fit. I had to drill an extra hole down here, and that was it. Now I basically have a deck with normal type of wheels on it, no roller system. Okay, that was my other mod to the Simplicity Prestige tractor.
Sit, Ace. Aw, good dog.
Woo!